Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go over the game plan. It's a little bit confusing today, so let's get started. Um, so for NQ yesterday, we bounced off pretty much my buy zone that I wanted. The daily imbalance zone, we held the 4 hour low. Reason we're so bullish, we pretty much swept all the liquidity, filled all the gaps, held the 4 hour low, continued higher. Um, we broke above the hourly high. The reason I swung low key puts was because we stayed below it, but those look like they're gonna go to crap. So obviously we're bullish here. Waiting for the 4 hour retest. So I do expect us to continue selling off into the 4 hour, which I would want to see is retest the previous day high, which would be around here, 24,552. This is where I would look like to go long around this area, and then we did break the 1 hour low here. So we did break this 1 hour low. So we're back bearish on the hourly, right? The 15 minute, I want to see a retest. So I'm waiting for a retest before I try to take any trades into here. See if we can get in here, create the right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. For ES, we currently broke the 15-minute low here. We were at the 450%. We're at the previous day high, so we can see a bounce off the open to retest and continue to sell off. We'd want to see the 1 hour low break of ES, which is right here. So if we can come down into this 4 hour imbalance and 4 hour optimal level, come down here, hold the 1 hour low, we can look to go back long. The reason we pumped was Nvda is investing $5 billion into Intel. Intel's up almost 30% overnight, so pretty insane. But yeah, it's either we bounce into this level here or continue to sell off into here, then bounce from here to reject off of here. So we'll see what the market wants to do first. I would want to see a retest first before continuing down lower, but also I'd want to see us reject from here due to SPY and QQ. I would want them to be below the highs within the hourly and the 15 minute. So let's see what the market wants. I just work here, so we'll see what we can work with today. The move pretty much happened overnight, so let's see if ES go for the 1 hour low down here. That'd be nice to see. Tap into the zone, hold that low, then possible nice bounce. Yeah, the 15-minute held the previous day high retest there, so let's see. 1 minute shifted. Let's look at NQ. Yeah, 1 minute shifted below. This can just be the retest to push down again here. Let's see what it wants to do. Yeah, it's trying to push up into that zone. See if we can get the retest up here. ES is trying to reject here and keeps trying to hold up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. It seems like ES wants to reject and NQ's trying to hold up here. That shit's stupid. Bro, what the fuck? Hey, who has take profit trader? Who has take profit trader? And uses trade evade. I know someone in here has to use take profit trader. I fucking hate trade evade with a passion, bro. Oh, this shit pisses me the fuck off, man. No one here uses take profit trader. No one uses trade evade. Cool, but take profit trader is the only one I have problems with live data. And when I click subscribe, I fucking subscribe and nothing changes. It's just so fucking stupid, bro. And it's just ridiculous, man. Yeah, no. I need someone that has take profit trader too. Cause this shit's fucking dumb. It doesn't even fucking work. Like I subscribe, it doesn't change the data. Nothing. You can't even place trades. Oh, this is fucking trash, man. trash ass company, man. So I don't use other shit than what I'm fucking used to, man. Ninja Turtles even worse, bro. Shit's like fucking 1912. Shit's like I'm looking at fucking Windows 1. And their fucking customer service on Take Profit Traders sucks ass. Oh, this shit's gonna be ass, man. I'm gonna have to start leading with my Top Step accounts, cause yeah, this TraderVate shit's fucking trash. We didn't even tap the fucking 50%, bruh. You're gonna reject, man? Come on. We almost tapped the level. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave with my top steps because TraderVate fucked me up so bad yesterday on some evals. I fucking hate TraderVate. I wish every company used Project X. It's so clean, so smooth. Where is this? Damn, it sold off. I didn't even tap my level. But that was the setup for the day, guys. Wow. Into my funded futures. I don't like my funded futures. The dollar cost average will go against me. The way I trade, it's not meant for me. The only thing Project X don't have to use ATM. Honestly, I think that's what fucks me up though, bro. Having an ATM. I prefer having Project X where I can just literally swipe up my stop loss and my take profit. The ATM is what fucked me up yesterday. Because it leaves ghost orders and just fucking fills them. It's so fucking ridiculous. Yeah, Project X better. Even with the ATM's so fucking ass. It's so ass because even when you trim, it doesn't adjust to your contracts. That's what makes it worse. Then you had to manually go adjust the contract you had on your. It's just so stupid. I wish they would upgrade and fix it. Alright, well, I'm fucking salty. We missed the fucking. Now I wait for the 1 hour to break below here. Retest here. Boom, 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 boom. I gotta do this shit all over again, man. Fuck you, take profit. Yeah, this shit's fucking trash. Alright, well, I'm gonna exit this because that just pissed me off. I can't believe even Bullnox has been way better than this shit. Sheesh, ES is selling off. Yeah, this wants to continue down lower. ES wants to go for the daily open. We're at the 4-hour optimal here, so let's see what happens. Just swept those lows here. How much more for 15 minutes for the hourly? Yeah, ES is leaking. I went along here. I went along here, but I don't want to fight the trend. Still 12 minutes here. Nice little push so far. There, nice. There you go. Nice little push. This shit didn't even charge. What the fuck? You know what? I got too much shit going on right now. Hold on, bro. I need to lock the fuck in. Alright, I'm waiting for an entry for either side, but I'm just waiting. 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 We're at the 4-hour premium on ES here. Really gotta wait for the hourly, see what it wants to do, because this is the balance zone. This is where we can bounce to push right back up. So far we have a nice little bounce off the 1 hour order block. I really would want to see us come and sweep down this low here. Come down here, sweep this low here, tap the 4 hour 50% to continue higher. Wow, what a push there. There it goes. Nice bounce. I like the longs there. I just didn't have confirmation yet. This can be a retest. If it stays below this high here, this can just be a retest to continue to sell off. Stay below this high here on ES, and then stay below this high here on NQ. 16 seconds. If it breaks above, we'll shoot up to the 15-minute zone that I want. If it closes below, we should reject there. Yeah, both of them close above. Yep. Instant 10 points there. Yep, this shit's gone. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna hold the 1 hour. This was the bounce. This was the bounce off the larger time frame. Wow, I can't believe I fucking slept on both sides today, man. Just this fucking trade of it shit pissed me off. $5-minute here. That's the high. What a bounce, bro. What a bounce. This is the risk, 713. Yeah. The hour looks fucking gnarly, dude. I literally watched both sides happen right in front of my fucking face today. What's this? 90, 17, 20 points. At least you know you were right. Yeah, I was right on both sides, but I didn't get to execute on either today. I didn't execute the shorts because they didn't have my level. I didn't execute on the longs because we barely had the shift here. Right on the shift, 20 points instantly from the shift here. Instant. I wasn't going to chase and then make my stop be fucking 70 points. Hell no. Patience pays, you guys know that. So if you shorted here off the morning, great job, you made money. I mean, maybe if you just took it off the 5-minute, then, you know, you banked. But I personally didn't take that trade there. I didn't take that trade there because I'll show you guys why right now. Hold on. It wasn't enough confidence for me. The risk was too much. So the reason I didn't take it off here, right, from here to the risk was 50 points compared to I wanted us to come into the optimal premium. What's here? Even tap this inverse or value gap here, I would have been risking about less than 20 points. compared to 50 points. So that's the reason I didn't short there. I didn't have too much confirmation, and like I said, off the morning I wanted the 15-minute head and shoulder, so I wanted to tap into here. So that's why I didn't have an entry there. We could risk sells here, risk this high, but nah, I don't want to risk 30 plus points. I prefer waiting for A plus setup than trying to get lucky. Imagine you would have risked 50 points, people would have got bagged. Well, it's rejecting again. If I miss it 3 times, I'm gonna fucking call it a day. I can't even short till we shift 2 on the 1 minute. Patience, 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 patience. SPY rejecting daily open. QQ's rejecting daily open. Damn, I missed that. That was a short there. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna average on these QQQs. Bro, what the fuck is going on with my phone? Ooh, nice. Holy shit, how'd I get... Oh, okay, yeah, no wonder. I might have sized in a little too much. My average, we're right here. My average is 0.49. What the fuck? How many did I have? No, thank you. How many the fuck did I have left? Oh. I see. Yeah, you guys are probably not gonna get nowhere near my average. What the fuck? How many did I fail yesterday? What? I'm not complaining, but what? Yes, letting go. 1 minute retest here. 1 minute retest. This is why I don't want to short, because we broke above. We bounced off the larger time frame. We're bouncing off support on the smaller time frame. So I don't want to short when we're bouncing off levels and then pretty much shifted on a 1 minute bouncing off support there. So, and also I just can't take a trade, guys. I can't take a trade here. Either side. If I'm too long, I'm risking 40-50 points. If I'm too short, I'm risking 30-40 points. I'm sorry. It's just I can't take a trade. If you guys want to gamble, go ahead. I'm personally not. I want to wait for A+ setup. Nothing's A+ just yet for me. It's not worth the risk to reward. So, remember, you guys can always trade on your own, so you don't have to wait for me. But personally, today, not worth the risk of 50 points, 30 points. I see people just smacking just to smack. They don't even look what the risk is. See balance, that's why I didn't want to short that shit. Nice break and retest here. I'm pretty sure that was probably the optimal too. And that was 50%. I would want to see, so if I'm too short, this is what I want to see happen. I want to see us tap into this here, but make sure the 5 minute closes below this. Boom, shift, retest, and then you continue down low. That's what I would want to see if I'm looking to short that there. We're at the 5 minute high there. Nice. Your buy should be up, MM. Nice retest, man. It's just 40 points for me. Not worth it. Break this in the 1 minute and form your new low. Oh shit. I'm gonna ask some of y'all because I saw some of you guys shorted. Off the dome of your head, real quick, I'm gonna give y'all no more than 10 seconds. Whoever caught shorts, what was your risk? Or did you just smack just to smack? I'm gonna give some of y'all 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 13. No, from the morning. Whoever caught the shorts early in the morning. You were just smacking. Yeah, 90% of y'all just smacked. I promise you 90% of y'all just smacked without realizing what your risk was. And I love that you guys made money, but remember, I'm always willing to teach you guys. Make sure you guys know your risk before entering a trade. Don't just smack a trade, because then when you smack a trade, guys, you have hopium. You're like, I hope it goes my way, because you didn't even realize your risk, and then you start risking more than you initially even thought you were risking. That's one thing about trading. It's a lot of people forget about that, man. Always know what your risk to reward is on a trade before entering it. Because you guys were crazy. Be sure to hear your risk. Yeah, you're fucking insane. And I'm sure you didn't realize your risk was this high here. Okay, we got the 1 minute shift up. Alright. We wait for 5 minutes. Close below. Shift. Now short. Longs. Missed it. We had the shift here. Immediately pumped. Wasn't worth it to chase. Beautiful retest though. Levels don't lie. At least everything's fucking working. But at least give me an entry, bro. Give me a damn entry. The 1 hour is gonna hold. Well, 1 hour did hold. Sorry. 1 hour held. 1 hour held. Well, 1 hour broke here on NQ early in the morning. 1 hour held on ES though. So we officially at the 15-minute optimal. 30 seconds to stay below the 5-minute high. Okay. And we close above. I am not looking for short till we shift. What a fucking balance, Jordan. I had that shit. That's 120 points, bro. What the fuck is wrong today? What the fuck am I doing today here, man? Alright, give me like 2 minutes. I need to. What the fuck do I want to listen to? I want to listen to some crazy shit. Keep me in the fucking mood. I don't even know what to play. Gotta get in here. This one. And then we'll try. Fuck it. Alright. Where my zone? Where my inverse rally gap? 63. That's 20-point risk that I can take here. I like it though, because we can just risk the 5-minute inverse rally gap. But we don't have a shift. Even though 15 minutes bearish, how much time? 7.5 minutes for the 15. So if we lock in for 7.5 minutes, we jacked off of here. The highs up here. We still have room up to this. So possibly sweep the overnight highs. Tap it in balance. Sweep the lower highs on Q, tap in balance. That makes more sense for me to short it with minimum risk. I would be at negative risk to reward. But then I have this inverse rally gap here. I wanted originally, I could risk. We have 2 minutes left for this candle here. So I could just take the entry here, risk 750 at the next. I could do it in 1 until 40 seconds. See if we got 1 minute left and I'll smack it. We're still up there. 1 minute here. Okay. Come on, give me to the last minute and I'll do it. 9 seconds. Seconds here. 49. Come on, yes. Get the fucking tap. Get the fucking tap in 10 seconds. Going full. It's gonna be fucking perfect. Come on. Alright. NQ sells. Hard stop at 65 for me. Hard stop at 65. Risking 20 points here. 20 points hard stop. Very aggressive here as we don't have any shift to the downside, but I'm playing the inverse for value gap here. I'm playing the retest on ES. It's pretty fucking aggressive here. We stayed below the 5-minute inverse for value gap, so that's good. Possibly overnight sweep 65 is gonna be right on it. Stops me out with the sweep. Stops me out if we tap. We just tapped here, so we should see the rejection now. Don't you fucking stop me. Yes, officially tapped that imbalance that I want there, so we need to stay below here now. We could risk a 5-minute close above here, but I don't want to rock it up 40 points and then risk 40 points. I could just, I just got stopped here, 20 points. Alright, cool. You motherfucker. Swept overnight. Okay, cool. So, I'll retry those if we can close below here. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on today, bro? What is happening with me here? Down $155 on the day. Not tripping. I'm getting that back right now, but I'll size in if we get the shift here, and I'll easily make that back. We bounce off the zones. We didn't tap the 4R50, so. The fucking 65 was a hard stop exactly where we had it. I can't fucking make this shit up, man. Oh, you mother. Why? MNQ's at 65. NQ's at 67. Alright, well, it's working out. I'm waiting for the 1-minute shift here. This is where I wanted a short in the morning, guys. This is what I wanted here. This zone here. So as long as we can stay below here again, I love the short again. We just need to stay below this. Because now we pretty much filled all the gaps. We're leaving no gaps unfilled. I got stopped. They swept overnight highs, which we knew they were going to try to go for. I just didn't think they'd push a little bit higher than it, but hey, fuck it. Risk reward was there. 20 points to make damn near 200 points for me. I feel like so overstimulated right now. I haven't even had coffee. I can't make this. Hijo de puta, man. We stayed below again, guys. We stayed below again. Just no shift. I have no shift. I can't just short again. Even though it makes sense. It'd be stupid for me to smack it without the confirmation. I waited this long. I waited almost a whole hour. I can wait another couple minutes. Patience, and discipline. Shouldn't just use because they would have done some bullshit. If I would have risked a 5-minute close, they would have pumped it. What a fucking bounce off the level, bro. I should just long that. But I had no confirmation, man. This fucking volatility got me. Oh, yeah. How much more for the hour? 43 minutes. Come on, if you would have just tapped here, you would have made me happy. I feel like today was probably my shit. I'm not even gonna be hard on myself. It wasn't shitty performance. It's just patience. I was being super disciplined today, which is nothing wrong with being extremely disciplined, but it made me miss a couple opportunities. But I'll get my bag right now. Relationships slowing me down and slow down the vision. Guess I'm not in a position to deal with commitment. Certain people need to tell me they're proud of me. Got me the last closure, it take a lot out of me. This shit for Christmas, I just want apologies. City gave up on me when I went missing. Sid had a baby and treated me different. Erica sued me and opened a business. Wonder if they wish it could have been different. Wonder what they do put in my position. It's like this can be so sexy here. We did break the 15 minutes, so as long as we can stay below the 15-minute high, we're good. And we just did with that candle, so that's my risk on my QQ. So it's the high. The high. perfect that premium was on ES. Just the risk was too much for me. Shut up. Ten more minutes here. What a fucking bounce, huh? Play the movies. Low key. Damn, we took our first loss today, huh? I just realized that shit. Honestly, there's times like that where I just take trades like that off of zones, and just that's why I risk the highs. Because I don't want to like, if you ever take trades like that, guys, off of zones that you're like, we should reject off of the zone, right? Like this one, there's no gaps left. We filled all the gaps. Always just risk the high because, like, a couple points, obviously, a couple points above the high, because if we push up above it, it's gonna obviously keep heading higher. So you don't want to risk more than you initially should be risking, right? That's why I said a hard stop 20 points, because I had a 45 fill, the high was 63, so I give about 2-point wiggle room. But what could I have done better there? I could have just waited for the 1 minute shift, which was this one here. But I just wanted to take the risk for 20 points. Now, would I have done that if it was a 40-point risk or 50-point risk? No. I would have then waited for the confirmation. No, I'm not in any trade right now. I only do it if it's no more than 25 points max. And I'll do it with lighter size and with a full position. Triple bottom needs to break here on Nvda's. Yeah, break that low here. Inverse rally gap top here. And NQ. Here, I'll help you, Cyclone. Yeah, it's gonna continue higher here. We feel this imbalance now. Break above the high, shoot up. Yeah, market push up here. 3 minutes for this 15-minute here. Make or break here. What the fuckity fuck? I haven't heard in a while. Nah, not for the minute. Twinkle twinkle little star. Psychedelic, shut the fuck up.
Never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high, cannot see, ate off. Now I got these rappers all breaking up a sweat. Cause every time I get up on the mic, I come correct. And I learned it from the best, always dressing something fresh. Looking for a little dime, big butt and nice chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock guests, but now I'm rocking clothes that ain't in the stores yet.
If we retest, if we break if we break above 15-minute highs, NQ is gonna break it. If we break above the 15-minute high here, and we retest this 1 minute, I'll try longs. I'll try longs here. I'll risk the low right here. 20-point risk. And that'll be my last trade today. I shouldn't take it on that one since we're gonna continue higher, continue with the trend. That should be the retest. We just need the 15-minute confirmation, and then we'll be good. 15-minute close above here. I'll stop about my key keys. They're probably worthless already. Where are they at? Oh no, I could use that. Actually, I'll put a hard stop on those key keys. Hard stop at 25. Just because we're gonna close above, so or stop at 25. Did ES close above? ES didn't, NQ did. 1 minute. Give me the fucking read. I'm about to crash the fuck out, guys. Like, I want to punch the fuck out of psychedelic right now. Yes, MM. Oh my god, you guys fucking stress me out, bro. Oh my god, I'm fucking mad at myself, man. How the fuck did I... What a shitty ass day for me. Shitty ass... My worst performance ever. Worst performance ever. Fuck you, yes. Bro, give me a fucking retest. Oh my god, man. Jeez. Yes, didn't even close above. I have to fucking level this, bro. Why the fuck didn't I just... Why am I being so hard on myself, bro? I'm fucking up fan of the week. What the fuck am I tripping about? The fuck? What the fuck am I tripping about, bro? Oh shit. But I'll give you the code. I'm maxed out on it already, so. Let me do that while we wait. Let me do that for you guys. Oh yeah, it is. Hold on. Here, I can use code JV for 91% off on Bullnox. So it's like $15 per account. Great time to load up. There's always tomorrow. Yeah, no, there is. I think I'm just being hard on myself today, cause I missed both moves. I was right on both directions, and I fucking missed it just because the risk was more than I wanted it to. Which I don't know why I'm upset about that, because I'm pretty much followed all my rules. I guess I'm just upset that I missed it overall and ended up red 155 off of a. I'm not mad at the trade it took. Honestly, I'm not mad at it, but I think I'm just being hard on myself because everything played out. My levels played out, so I was right, but I didn't get to execute on them just because of the risk tolerance. But it's okay. You know, every day is not going to be a perfect day. You're not always going to get what you want, so. Can you do more than... You can do up to all 10, all 11. I think it's 10 or 11. I have 11, but I think 11 combines. Yeah, it's like it's part of it. I just have so much shit going on right now too, so. That's what pisses me off. What was I looking at? What did I have here? What the fuck was it? Oh, okay. Yeah, no, the trade away shit fucked me up, bro. Fucked me up. It fucked me up yesterday and fucked me up today. Because I was trying to try those shorts in the morning off of the trade rate accounts. Because the trade rate one I had on that one was evals. So I was like, fuck it, I'm doing the evals. I couldn't fucking execute. So that means none of them executed due to trade rate saying I had delayed data, which those firms have the data, and then I click subscribe and it doesn't fucking subscribe. So that threw me off the morning. And I was trying to deal with that shit, and it's just too much shit was going on, bro. Such a shitty ass platform. But I told myself that I'm just gonna execute off my top step, and then everything will copy the top step from now on. So that way I have no excuses, no fuck ups, no hiccups, no nothing. It's just straight from there. So I feel like that's what really fucked me up. You know what the fuck I need? I need some of this. One minute shifted on NQ here. One minute shifted. We already retested the imbalance here, so this can just be a momentum trade. The reason I would want to take the shorts because ES hasn't closed above on the 15-minute high, so it's still bearish on the 15-minute. I'd feel more confident if we can break the 5-minute on ES2. I'd feel better if we can break the 5-minute on both ES and NQ instead of just a 1-minute trade. The reason I would want to short I think I'm hold on, guys. Oh, okay. QQ still active. I would want to short it because 15-minute rejection here, and then having a shift tells me that ES is trying to lead to the downside. Even though NQ did break above the 15-minute, if we have a shift, then we have market structure shift to the downside again. So, waiting for the 5-minute. This could be the trade that I've been waiting for all fucking morning. What time is it? 9:40. Yeah, this needs to happen. ES shifted on the 1 minute too, so. Excuse me. Quick pop. I'm making care. Yeah, I'm waiting for the retest. I'm waiting for this imbalance here, and I'm gonna risk this 1 minute high here. It's a 1 to 2 trade, so pretty much right here. TP1, and then I would want to write it down to the 15-minute optimal-ish, would be around here. I just need the retest first. Don't go crazy because the 5 minute needs to break too, guys. So the way I'm taking this trade is 1 minute retest to break the 5 minute low. Due to ES not breaking above on the 15-minute high, you still have 3 minutes too. So pretty much on this next candle close, very, very important on the 15-minute. Well, I had 1 because if it does close above, it's going to close above the 1 minute high on ES. That means it's going to go back bullish. That means it's going to continue higher. That means we'll be wrong. We'll take a loss there. But 2, if it does close below, that means we got a nice retest. We'll see continuation down to the 5 minute low. So the 5 minute low breaks to continue down to the previous day low. Not previous day low, that's exaggerating. But continue down to maybe overnight lows on ES. That's obviously if we can stay below the 15-minute high here on ES one more time. This is a retest on NQ. How many more minutes? Still a lot of time though, 2.5 minutes. But I'm gonna take the risk. I'm gonna take some. Let me fucking. Yo, what the hell? Why didn't let me? Why doesn't it let me fill? Okay, cool. Yeah, today is not my day, bro. Not day for get you. Oh, please, no. Yes, we're in tails, bro. 2 minutes here. This needs to happen in 2 minutes. Like I said, a hard stop at 20 points. We shouldn't pop up. Like I said, if we pop up, that means the 15 minutes gonna break, and that means continuation higher. So playing it safe. A minute and 6 seconds here. This needs to happen now. Like right now in the next minute. Nice. 10 points here, guys. Nice. There we go. Cool. Taking some off. I'm back green on the day. Fuck yes. Oh my god, I can finally fucking relax. 15 points though. Good job. 15 points. Break even stops. Break even stops. ES is gonna get the 5-minute low. ES gets the 5-minute low. We fucking leak. There's no doubt about that. If we can break here in the next 15 seconds, we fucking fall. We fall. We free fall. Buckle up. We waited all morning. This shit better fucking pay off. Fat. Alright, ES broke. Buckle up. Here we go. 20 points. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Oh my god. I'll fucking. Thank you, God. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm tired of waiting. And we got paid. Oh my god, man. We're gonna free fall. Just break even stops. Trim some year, but break even stops. Here we go. Here goes the free fall. He smacked 50. Yeah, he probably passed those bull knocks. Yeah. Oh my god. Well, now we're in 15 minutes for a setup to come back green and we're up. Nice. Sir, yes, sir. Discipline and patience and consistency is everything, guys. I'm sorry for my performance today, but I just had too much going on. But we got it. Oh man. Honestly, I don't even care about me. Like, I feel happy for you guys because I hate wasting y'all time. Bro. It makes me feel so shitty. Very nice though, very nice. Let's see. All my accounts ghosts are 50Ks. All of them are 50, bro. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream on YouTube because that was it. That was nice.